For two acute angles, angle A and angle B, cosine A is equal to sine B. The measures in degrees of angle A and angle B are 13x plus 10 and 48 plus 3x respectively. What is the value of x? So this question may sound tricky or hard, but if you know the basic rules of the trigonometry, you are gonna get this question. And from the first sentence, it's clear that we need to apply angle A plus angle B equals 90 degrees rule. But how do we get it? Okay, you can just write down it as a rule, as a general rule to make your solutions faster. So if we have two acute angles, in our case angle A and angle B, and if cosine of angle A and sine of angle B are the same, are equal, then the sum of these angles is gonna be 90 degrees. That's it. So the measures in degrees of angle A and angle B are these. Okay, so our A is gonna be certain x plus 10 and our B is gonna be 48 plus 3x. So the sum is certain x plus 10 plus 48 plus 3x is equal to 90. So we can find x using decimals. So if you write down this equation, you are gonna get, so x is equal to 2 from that graphic.